What's up, everyone? This is Martin from Insider. Welcome to our first Photoshop tutorial, and we will be creating a glitch effect right here. So I'm using Photoshop CC 2019. So with either version, you are able to do this effect. So don't worry about the versions which either you are using Photoshop 2005 to CS5, Photoshop, CS2, whichever you are using, they have the same thing. So don't worry about the version, either on Mac or PC, it's all gonna work. So let's go ahead and open our image, the image that we are going to apply the effect. And to help you out with the images, if you need of any image, you can go to unsplash.com, get your images from there for free. They're not for sale, so you can just go there, search for the images, and they are there available for free. So let's get into this. Open your image, the first image. Here we go. So this is what I chose for the tutorial, and the image of this lady, a black lady. No, that's racism. So just say she's an African, but she's black. Yeah, she's black. Right. Yeah, she's black. So open your image, and then one thing that you want to do is just unlock this. And that's our first step. So to get started with this image, just convert it to a smart object. Once you've done that, the next step is that I want you to change this image from this color to black and white too. So by doing that, we just go to the hue and saturation and try to lower the saturation to -100 to make sure that it's black. So you can either do that by going to the panel here and choosing hue and saturation, or you can just hit Control U to open hue and saturation panel, and I wanted to slide this back to -100, then hit enter. Once you've done that, our next step will be now duplicating this layer. You can either right click and then hit duplicate, or you can do this by holding Control and J. I love new shortcuts, so don't worry. So then I wanted to name this layer to color, and the other one beneath it, change it to lady, or whichever name you want to call it, depending on the nature of your image. So once you have these two images here, we're gonna concentrate on the first image, the color. So go there, then right click, then go to blending options. Then under blending options, I want you to uncheck the red channel, this one here, and check that one, then hit OK. Have you done that? Using your arrow keys, push this image to the left, and you'll notice that you are actually getting the effect. That's like we are almost close to our first step of this tutorial. So once you achieved what you want to do, then there, yeah, we are good there. And I think that that's okay. So once you have that done, then go here, then click there to select, and then down there on the effect, just click solid color, and then change this to white. And I want to make this layer to pattern, white pattern. We're going to apply pattern on this image. I want us to have a old television effect. So by doing that, just go to blending options, and then under blending option, go to the pattern overlay, and then you choose this horizontal line, not the vertical ones, horizontal. Then make sure this is 900. By default it's already written in 100, so just change to 900. Then make sure that opacity is 100%. Then click OK. Once you've done that, just go to the opacity section, then change this to 5%. And now that is it. What do you think? We've achieved it, but that's not all. So the next step, I'm going to need you to hold Control Shift Alt E to merge this layer, and then once you do that, merge those there, then give you a layer on top of it, which you want us to use to do some editing. So change this layer name to linear, then hit enter, and then after you've done that, I wanted to pick the rectangular marquee tool, then select a section of image, either top or bottom, then using the move tool, push it outside, there, while you hold shift, then press Ctrl D to deselect, and then pick another area like here, then move it inside, deselect, then pick another section here, move it outside, and then pick another section top here, move it like that. Then with that turning you are done. So what do you think, guys? This is what glitch effect is. So I'm gonna need you to share your thoughts about this tutorial, and then I will get back to your comments. I'll also be sharing the Photoshop glitch effect action on my description, so I'll make sure to check, and also I'll share the link of this image on the description also. So make sure you check that. If you want to use this image on my work, just check on my description on my channel. The last thing I want to request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you may get the notifications every time that we post a tutorial. So make sure to click subscribe, then also activate the bell button below there to always get notification when we post our tutorial. So thanks guys for watching, and always keep tuning in our channel. This is Insider, and thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Till next time.
turn up in the headphones.